Look at that for a display. Nong Nooch Botanical Gardens in, I'm not sure, I think it's in Jomtien, right? More Jomtien towards Pattaya, but I give Pattaya as a general location so tourists can come along and do excursions and stuff like that. But that is very, very, very impressive. We've even got a skywalk up there you can walk along. These are all bromeliads and ferns, they can live off the moisture that's in the air. So we're going to go do an elephant show in a minute, watch it. These are elephant rides. We're going to find out where it's all at. I'm not sure how dear it is or cheap it is, but we'll find out in a minute. So just bear with me, boys and girls, and let's have a look. Yeah, I don't know the Thai or even Tarzan's name for it, or Mowgli's name for them. Look, all the kids are out here as well. It's almost the weekend on a Friday, so it's quite a 50 baht, which is about £1 and a bit to feed the elephants. So there's a lot of them anyway. Elephant show is through there. There's a lot of elephants running around. Just be careful you don't get stamped on when you're walking by. As you can see, there's a lot of people going on, and this place is massive. And when I say it's like, I think it's 670 acres, I believe. But I could be wrong. I did look at it yesterday, but it wasn't like, yeah, you don't see the size of it at all. I'm having a look somewhere. They don't really say. I'm sure it's 670 acres. It's massive anyhow. It takes you hours to walk around. Hours. So you get on a little bus and go around, a safari bus, and walk around. There's no wild animals, so nothing to worry about. He is probably the most impressive elephant I've seen in Thailand for sure. And look at the size of them tusks. I believe it's a boy. And look what. You want a picture? Got pay. It's money. Okay. Doris wants to have a picture in there. Hey ho. Well, go on, go. Loo. Oh fucking hell. I'm not going to do this with one hand and two hands and three hands and everything else. He's a proper lump. He's very, very phenomenal. He's trying to take all the things out of there. Go. I heard, look, he's trying. Go on, Tom. Stay there. There you go. Go. After going through a maze of doorways and like buying gifts and toys and sweets and that sort of stuff, we're into a big massive, it's like an amphitheatre. It's not really, it's a big theatre. It's like going to a big cinema really, as you can see. And first time I've ever been indoors and done an elephant show that I can remember, and I've been here a couple of times before. As you can see, it's all full up. What we the kids are all off school, having a day out or something. I'm having a look in the middle seat. And you can have a look. Wow, look. Might even be on television in a minute. You never know. Again, on TV. This must be the cultural show, part of the show. Which is a boy or a girl, that one. Very, very cute. Show that is, not the Doris. Or the geezer, whichever way it is. Wow, very impressive. Anyhow, I don't know what they're going to say, but it looks very impressive. Background got the lanterns in Yipeng, which will be November 26 in Chiang Mai. We'll let 10,000 lanterns off in the sky. Only place legally you can do lanterns in the sky. Buriam. Different cultures, so cultural shows, so they're showing different ethnic minorities and what they do now. They dress up as what I'm guessing. Not sure. Seems that way anyhow. I do like bare feet though when they're doing their dancing and stuff. Uga and Ratchatani. Udon Tani, I've been there. Went there for legs fishing. Looks nice, a bit cheaper. Got some nice quality fish in there, but not sure about whether it's world class or not. Don't know if they've got some big, massive fish like the big name 3 were overpriced in my opinion by a long way. So blokes in dresses. Never heard of that place. Nakhon Siri Tamaraj. I pronounced it really, really badly. Chaburi. Anyway, you can imagine what, different things at the back and different show at the front. But we'll come back to it later. Or when the elephants come on. Thanks for Wat Arun, which is in Bangkok, the stoop at the back on the screen. Look, let's zoom in a bit, see if we can get him on there. Look, he's doing his bit. Pretty neat, eh? Pretty cool in the dark. Same over there. Much better video than the other camera I had, phone I had. Excuse me, yawning. TV screen, you can have a look. Very impressive anyhow. Okay, backwards or forwards this bloke. Saying goodbye now, in their own way. Little dance over the bamboos and things. Nice show, great stuff. Another add-on to the cultural show, got a different backdrop. Not sure the lanterns in the sky are just floating something or others. Not sure. Different cultural show now. Some might be girls and some might be lady boys, not even sure about that. I ain't got my glasses on. I don't want to speculate. I think Britain's got talent in the arms. Bye-bye from them. Here they come, the elephants having a war, having a battle, or doing something. Little baby ones as well. I did think it was a bit strange to be on the stage, even with all that shuttering, but you never know. That's where they're having a war for. The elephants simulate the noises. Little baby ones, little ones. So it is. Woo! Brilliant. Like a bit of drama, a bit of theatricals as to the show. So they changed the backdrop while there was work going on. While they were distracted at the front, they changed the backdrop. Here they come. Probably Keys' interest is you never know, we are in Thailand. Have a zoom in. You can take your pick in your fantasy world, can't you? I'm not. Loads of them now. That one's definitely a ball on the left. You can see it's didgeridoo bouncing around a bit. Yeah, the girl next to me said definitely lady boys. So we've got a bit of theatrical going on in the background. Masks, carnival theme, and a backdrop. Might even rival Rio de Janeiro or something like that backdrop. It's a cultural show, so as this is part of their culture, as boys dressing up as girls or believe they're girls, it is whatever it is. Definitely skinny, you know. Definitely a peacock, it's got size there. Bad play on words there, but it's funny anyhow. At least this is video great in the dark. Taj Mahal, I'm going there very shortly. I think it's all gone Bollywood now. Bollywood rather. Yeah, that's a Hindu temple. Oh, it's all gone Chinese now, it's all in red. Big influence of Chinese over in Thailand, that's for sure. You can fly from Beijing to Bangkok main airport, which is called Suvarnabhumi, as it's pronounced, directly cheaper than you can flying into the lower ranked airport. Normally from all the other countries you fly into Don Muang, it's called, you fly into it's cheaper by about £40. In this case from Beijing to Suvarnabhumi it's £40 in your favour. And it's a direct flight rather than indirect flight, as I found out when I got stranded in Shanghai for 17 hours. Backdrop is Avatar, Zanji, where it's called National Forest Park. That's where Avatar was filmed. Rainbow Mountains they've also got in Peru. That's bigger, that area. There's a big Buddhist influence also in China. I've also got a small terracotta army display here in Thailand, if you care to have a look. It's not too far away from Pattaya or Jomtien. If you get a grab or a bolt taxi, or find your own way there on a scooter or something, it's not too far away at all. Change the backdrop, quite nice, different lighting array. Butterflies for some reason. Against cactuses, that's really odd, but hey ho, what do I know? Very theatrical, lots of lights, big screens to the left and big screens to the right. As we have 2 rows from the front, as you can see down there. You've got a good seating area, good viewing platform to look at. Well, this is the first, get to walk across the ground with the elephants. What a result. I like a new experience, dopamine rush and all that. Wow, look, he's having a word, He's having a word, oh mate, he's doing, look, he's got tusks on him, but big boy. Love it. Might be a girl, you never know. They got tusks as well, you know. There you go, if you want to jump up an elephant's trunk, with tusk or without tusk, you can do. I'm sure it's a small fee, not a big fee here, look. I've done it, they actually turned me vertical, they turned me up, they did. It sort of spun me upside down. It was great fun, it was. Yeah. You don't feel like you're going to lose grip or anything, and you're safe in their hands like that. That's a tiny little girl, that is. Never been lifted up with an elephant with that big a tusk, so it's a different form of parameter of safety. I'm sure it's all good anyhow. Bit noisy here, but hey ho. Yeah, I've had a double lift before with elephants. So the show will start soon. She's got a double lift, that girl there in the middle. Yeah, so we're all spun around, let's see that, there you go. So on and so on. The elephant's got 20 baht in its trunk. And he's trying to call you and give it 20 baht, you go and have a picture with that elephant or do something, right? So wait, if you don't give me the money, start shaking his head left to right, saying no, you're not going to give me more money then. Been trained very, very well. And the reason why they're called mahouts, other people, the trainers, the reason why they smack them hard with a stick is because their skin is an inch thick. They can't feed it otherwise. Like you put a small, I don't know, I wouldn't say rolling pin, something small like that, you're smacking your foot on your train, that do anything, and say no. Well, over there do the same sort of thing over in that corner. Well, picking little kids up. So before the start of the show, we probably spent 10 minutes so far. They got to get their money in before everyone leaves. So it's good strategy. Children will like it, adults like it. You get picked up with 2 elephants or 1 elephant and do that. One with the tusks, impressive. I think most people are this side rather than that side, but you never know. Young lady being lifted up, brilliant. Remember there are dog shows and cat shows, remember? So if you think the elephant's been treated badly or this shouldn't happen, they've got dog shows as well, remember. They say no, 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 give them the old elephant. So thank you, take the 20 baht. You take the 20 baht, brilliant, love it. Big massive one again, look, brilliant, bigger tusk than that one, look at that one. That is very, very impressive. That must be the one outside where Som had a picture. Same? Same elephant, same chain? Yeah, huge elephant. They're all queuing up there, must be getting ready for the show to start. We'll find out in a minute. Yeah, no more photographs being taken. You want to come along, give them 20 baht and watch the antics, the elephants, you will do. Down there, look, she's a bit terrified. Very well trained and looked after. You can't see any welt marks on the elephants, no sores, no blisters, no ulcers or anything, no limps. Can't see any mistreating of the animals whatsoever. So allowed to wander around like everyone else is. So don't listen to the propaganda that's out there in the world. It's only there because people make so many complaints that the governments and the policymakers have to bend to the masses, even if the masses are sometimes wrong in their judgments, because they make informed opinions, not well-formed opinions. You gather all the information from different avenues, different perspectives, different experts, and find out. They've got a massive goal down there, so else you can go with football somehow. I'm not sure it's football or trunk ball, we'll call it, either or. Bit of Star Wars, I've got to take it off obviously. Oh, holding by the tail, nifty. I missed that one. Oh, the big ones are joining, I'm going the other way and doing it, okay. Brilliant. Cool. And they're doing that now. I'm going to sit down now, take the riders off their back. Well done, look. Cross the legs over. Legs up there like that. Let's stand up the back, bigger ones. That's cool. Slow down. Back there again. Wow, bowing and bowing over, brilliant. I'm guessing it's definitely going to be going of football. Oh, they're balloons. It's not football, it's a game of balloons. Perhaps you're going to shoot rockets at them or something, to know yet. Right, it's going to throw darts at the balloons, watch. I'm not sure how far away, but we're going to try. I suppose we've got a big screen, watch. Ready, go. Whoa! Brilliant. That one's going to go real long. That's a real long way, that is. Wow! That was really long way. Let's go. Obviously ain't accurate this one. Let's have a look. Go! Oh, just got it. He's a real long throw. He's a long distance javelin throw, this bloke. On a micro throw, look! Oh! Never mind. Good fun, eh? Entertainment all the way. Let's have that though. Never mind. Trying again, let's go. Go on, son. Go on. Oh, hit the framework. Hit the post. It didn't go in. Had a double whammy. One knocked off and one popped. Last one for this bit of video in. So obviously a few more go. Go! The elephant's coming closer into Nick a banana. That's a thanks, that's a reward system. That's how you train dogs with their tricks. You give them a reward after they've done it, and sometimes you don't. And the reason is they're not always expecting a treat all the time, only some of the times. That's why you program in their brain. They don't get it all the time. If you got it all the time, then sometimes they would stop. That's the reason why. So you give them sometimes, they're always keen, always eager. And that's how your dogs do your tricks on Britain's Got Talent, on Crufts or anything else like that. Learn how they play the game and you can play the game with them. He just got scared because it made a noise. One's a banana, these are two elephants. As a reward. There you go, look. Likes that one better, obviously. He's giving it 3. One down there, giving some more there. I'll get them both in the picture, it's easier. Get personalised t-shirts that the elephants are painted for you while you watch them. Probably takes less than 2 minutes. As you can see, that's technically board now. And we just saw the elephant do that. It's 300 baht, which is about, I don't know, £7 in English at the moment. It's 44 baht to a pound. The 7 fours are 28, obviously. 7 fours are 28 again. So yeah, it's 7 quid. Plus 2 baht at the moment, but fluctuates up and down like all stock market does. Walk around, that's brilliant. They definitely get value for money. This one, not so they pay extra for that, but they're getting carried along from down there all up to there, so that's quite good. Actually being videoed as well, so that's a good memory. So if you come, you know what you can expect, you know what you can get. There's that little Chinese or Japanese lady, or Korean lady. She's running around very, very stacked well away from his buddy. Very, very happy. Another lady there, it's the same thing. She's got a white face on. Brilliant. They're real close now. They're all after the bananas for the show they've just done, the painting they've just done. So they get rewarded again. I have found got a ball up there. Play football or something, not sure what they're doing. It's like football, oh, basketball. But basketball. Not sure they're going to throw it, or they're going to go and pop it in the nose close up, I'm not sure yet. We'll see in a minute. They're going to throw it. Ah, too far that one. They're taking it in turns, okay. Can't really see this bloke's in the way. Too much power. 2, 3. Whoa. Too far that one. Never mind. Third time lucky and all that. More than me. Whoa. They need a bigger hoop and a bigger board. Go for it, go on son, go on, go, do it, go on! Way! Third time lucky, like I said. Very controlled that one, brilliant. Everyone was happy for the elephant to do that. As you can tell by the crowd, euphoria. I was going for it, big powerhouse. Held him back. Ah, too much power. Another feeling they have too much power. Oh, close. But no cigar on that one. This one's quite up close, this one. He might get it in there again. Hold on. I think he's going to get this one. Oh, got it just. One independence is a big long one way, but it don't matter. A goal's a goal no matter how it happens. This one's really sprinting in. I think he's going to drop it in there by himself, isn't he? Brilliant. Whee! Brilliant. Everyone loves it. Brilliant. Great show. Funny entertainment. Enjoy it for what it is. Don't let anyone's opinion fucking destroy your version of your reality. As long as you're doing good, it don't matter. And Alan's been treated really, really well. Look at it that way. Oh, I missed that one. It's like it's Skittles, 10-pin bowling, all that sort of thing. That's quite accurate. The company should get posts in a way. There we go. Oh, it's a long one, that one. Let's have a look. You got it? Yes! Wow. Brilliant. There you go, really low down here. Look. Here we go. Oh, he's got a bit of top spin on that one. Oh! Twice now. It's going again. I think he's widened it. Long one. Yeah! He got a spare. Didn't get a strike, he got a spare. There he goes again. Bit of top spin. Yeah! Oh! Not bad. He might get a spare, you never know. One more go. Oh right, the other bloke's done it. From the other side. Oh, it's close. He's going again. And the hood's going on his back, never mind. It's all done now. They come from the customary bananas from the guests, us that is. The show's over. Different sort of show. In lots of different shows. Wow, okay. Nice. Football wasn't over really. It's a football game now. Kids, adults come from the bananas. Two goalkeepers. Never seen two goalkeepers before. That's one of the big tusks outside. The big one. Piece of girl actually. Oh, cooked in. Oh, goal. Brilliant. With a foot as well. So it's definitely elephant football rather than elephant trunk ball. Watch. Oh, just wide. He's quite good on the far side. Let's have a look at him go again. There we go. Hey! Brilliant. Oh, saved by the goalkeeper. By the elephant keeper is what I should say. In goal. Giant sized footballs and all that. Another one. Oh, saved by another goalkeeper. Oh, lefty, and he's done him again. Oh, he lost the framework, that one. This time it's an arm by the goal kick by us. There we got a goal. He loves his posing, doesn't he, this one? Brilliant. Excellent. He likes saving them. What's this one? Big one. Open goal. Open goal. Oh, just got it in there. Result. He's definitely come and get some banana that one. I think they're all gone now. All been sold out. He's that close to the audience. He was kissing them. Oh, you do video. That's good, stepping over him. He's touching her bum, hold on. Sexual assault and all that. Brilliant. He's touching her, Jaxie. Jaxie's slang for bottom. Well, there's a lot of trust in an animal. That's it for that bit. There you go, look, I told you. Tapping her bum with his foot, can't see nothing now. What it's done to me is quite funny, and they are very, very gentle what they do. Ribbon throwing of hula hoops and ribbon throwing. I've seen hula hoops before. Here we go. Going his trunk, look at that one, yeah, cool. Yeah, there we go. Look, we're all doing it now. We're all doing it now, it's easier. That's what I've seen him sitting down and doing it. Yeah, it's clever. This one's really dancing, yeah, look, it's going. Let's put his feet up there, look, loads. they've danced to music. I think it must have done ecstasy or something, you never know, do you? They've done the need. Oh, he's on his back. He's a show off. He's a show off, that one. Oh, he's doing it as well now. He's thinking, well, if you can do it, I can do better. I think at the end, or it's just another show, I'm not sure. Everyone's getting up, so maybe it's finished. Well, we've got this terracotta stuff going on down here. It's a photo shop place. But, I think last night I from near where the macaws were. Children are coming across the old skywalks. So have a look, bromeliads, they said palm trees, bigger palm trees, Mickey palm trees. Okay, go. Dog's going for a walk. He's trying to unload a penny or so. Wait, now. Go down, up, head, up, down, go, watch, go. Oh! Go on and again. Come on, baby, you can do it, come on. Catch that fish. Whoa, go on, girl, go on. Go on, get it, go. Ah! Oh, strike, Lily, yes! Hey! Right, we're on the bus. Mega-sized golf cart, basically. This little bus. And these are all the things you can see inside. There's all loads of topiaries everywhere. It's massive. I mean, 678 square acres is massive. And they've got everything you possibly think of. They've got dinosaur things here. They've got llamas. They've got monkeys, animals, raccoons, goats, wildebeests, horses. And it changes themes. Got a big Buddha there, a fat Buddha there, another Buddha up there. They've even got Stonehenge here. So when you come to Nooch, you can go walkabout, but remember it's 32 to 35 degrees, sometimes even 40 degrees when you come here. Come here very early in the morning, opening time's 9 o'clock, get here early if you can, or late afternoon, it'll start cooling down a bit. Everywhere, they must have spent years doing all this stuff, they're probably still doing an ongoing task. It is massive, and look at it. That's Pumbaa, yeah, straight out of Lion King. Oh, obviously stop here for some reason or another. No, someone's dropped a hat. Must be a kiddie hat or something. You got skywalks being crossed over the road if you like, and also they're shaded. I've been up before, they're shaded, so it's quite cool. You don't get the extreme heat on your head. That's another tip for you when you come along. It is massive. And you show them your card with a voucher on it, and away you go. They stamp it, a little punch hole in it. And off you go. And you get it. Stonehenge. Told you. Stonehenge.
อันนี้จำลองมาจากประเทศอังกฤษครับเราใช้เป็นสิ่งแวดล้อมจากประธานีจังหวัดปราจีนครับ
I think it's more intact than one in England, to tell the truth. Yaks. All sorts of funny animals. African animals. Well, there's a race now between us and them. We'll overtake them. A little bit of security to me. Dinosaurs. Look, Jurassic Park we're into now.
สายมือที่อยู่ในกรงนี้ก็จะเป็นมะพร้าวทะ
Palms
เล
of the world. Must include me. Mickey Palm Tree.
ใช้เวลา
That's where the name
30
Palmer
ปีนะ
comes
ครับ
from. Palm Tree. Means a symbol of victory and supreme excellence. I'm still working on the supreme excellence part. I don't think it'll come this lifetime anyhow. Yeah, look, Jurassic Park down there. You can hear dinosaurs make noises in your imagination, that is.
ขวามือเป็นเพชรฉลึงครับเป็นกล้วยไม้นะที่ใหญ่ที่สุดในโลก
Loads of little ones in there, loads of them. Loads of little Mickey Palmers. Stones up there, made some lovely pictures. Cactus area, and they've got their own flower in them ones. Wow, look at the size of them buggers, they're massive. Yeah, you need some peyote in there, some cactus. You can get off your tits on
อัน
there.
นี้จะเป็นโซนเนอร์เซอรี่ครับ
I don't think they'll have it there though, to tell the truth. Everyone will be up
โซนนี้
themselves.
นะครับเราจะไม่ให้นักท่องเที่ยวเดิน
It's promising, you never know.
อันนี้
Could
เฉ
be,
พาะลูกค้า
could
ที่
be
นั่ง
something
ร
I
ถเท่า
don't
นั้น
know.
นะโซนนี้
Bromeliads, not sure about bromeliads. Ferns, no. Not sure what they are. Got ferns at the top, obviously. Can't What's down the bottom, all different. Might be bromeliads.
ทางด้านจะเป็นจุด
Lower
ชมทั้งหม
battle
ดเลย
trees sort of things. Onwards and upwards and all that.
ถ้าเป็นชนชมนะครับ
Certainly is a big,
ชมที่อยู่
big,
ด้านใน
big
นี้ประมา
nursery.
ณ500 ชนิด ส่วนใหญ่จะเน้นโชว์
Look
ราก
after
แล้
the
วก็
plants.
โช
They've
ว์ดอก
got renew the plants in certain locations. Growing them on, probably selling them. You never know whatever they're doing with them. Very impressive. More cactus again. Some big cactus. Now going for a walk, going for a turn. They slow down a bit. Oh, don't fall down a hole, do we? Bromeliad central here. Look up there. Take the moisture out there, and that's how they feed themselves, especially when it rains. That's when they really accumulate a lot of water and they hold the water, and while it slowly evaporates, the mist feeds the root systems. That's what orchids are actually doing in your pots. In the bark that you've got inside there. They don't need water all the time, they don't sit in water all the time. Occasionally. So sucking the water up, then you drain the water off. And they flourish better that way. Oh, engine spluttering a bit. Off we go.
เป็นลาวเวียดนาม
That's Buddhas. You've got a swastika in the middle of that one.
อินเดียศรีลังกามองโกเลียแล้วก็อินโดนีเซีย
Different Buddhas from different parts of the world. So India, Mongolia, Thailand, China, all that sort of stuff. I need a buggy ride. Never done it before, so thought I'd have a look. Dinosaur Valley. We're really going to Jurassic Park. Stone-made, man-made, Mickey
อันนี้
made.
เราก็พาทุกท่านเข้ามาถึงภูเขาไดโนเสาร์แล้วนะครับผมไดโนเสาร์เราก็จะมี
Loads of colours of them. Velociraptors or something similar.
755 สายพันธุ์นะตอนนี้เราปั้นได้ประมาณ 1,700 กว่า
They're
ตัว
everywhere.
ทุกตัวเราปั้นขนาดเท่าตัวจริงครับผมตามสเกลนะครับที่มีการประกอบไดโนเสาร์นะเราจะเท่าตัวจริงทั้งหมดนะครับที่อยู่ที่นี่
Always a saurus. I'm sure one says clitoris, but it's close enough.
ด้านหน้านี้ก็จะเป็นพีระมิดนะ
Wow. Fish. Big fish. Piranha. Red one. Big massive thing. One's in water as well. Resold. Wow, stone. Mosaic stone effects. Brilliant. Pharaohs of Egypt and all that. Wow, that is awesome. Maybe these dinosaurs come from that region of the world, I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be a backdrop like that or give it a theme of where the animals have been found. Difficult to say really. It's more on the other side, squids and all sorts of funny things. Funny looking alligator crocodile. Funny one. It's like a marlin, but it's not. Similar, swordfish. It's like a weird shaped dolphin or something, or could be a beluga whale or something. Fun looking little penguin. I think we left the dinosaur land behind now. We're leaving it slowly anyhow. Exit.
โอเคเดี๋ยวเราจะจอดด้านหน้าตรงนี้นะครับ
So we've done all that one. That's enough for the moment. Over and out, boys and girls. That's pretty big brontosaurus. That is. That's huge. Look at that. Got tide temples in the background. Got big dinosaurs there. A big scaly thing on its back. Not sure it's a T-Rex. It looks too small for a T-Rex, but it's very similar anyhow. Not sure it's an Allosaurus. No, it's something saurus anyhow. You going? One of the gods of India, Ganesh, the elephant god, picked in something or another. More time. Thingamajiggies, I haven't got a clue. Gods, whatever. We'll have a look. See if we can find these parrots somewhere. Might be struggling. On the way out, there's a car museum, so you can look at Hummers, little bikes, whatever that is. Oh, it's nice and air conditioned here though. I've been in here before, but I can't remember when it was. It was a while back now. That's a big Jeep. Proper Jeep. Look, little pink micro mini. Pink micro mini. Cool. Might be some fast cars in a minute. Dune buggies and stuff, little one on the wall. A little video. Yeah, normal Not sure what the number 3 is, but it's just something doing something. A nice little fast car. Nissan GTR. Must be quite a Lotus. Nooch. It's a Lotus something or other. Could be a James Bondy one for all I know. And look, one for sand or moon. So we look at it. Fast cars over there. Some kit cars or something. Don't know what they are. Three-wheeler. Look, very fast yellow car over there. Another one over there. Now someone is lifting up and down. We'll carry on. I think that's about it. And a little teeny weeny bubble car sort of thing. Smart car. Oh, they are tiny. Little 2-seater things. Look, we've got a sliding door. It's one for disabled people, I suppose. Or it's air conditioning, literally with the air. Do the conditioning for you, not AC. Hey ho, and away you go, and all that.